Taking good care of diving gear is very important for divers. Now you can manage your diving gear in Garmin Dive App. Open Dive App. Select More. Gear. Select the plus icon to add gear. From essentials to gas equipment and accessories, you can choose from a wide range of diving gear. Select the type of gear you want to add. Take camera, video as an example. In addition to basic information, you can also name the gear and add photos. Different gear types have different attributes, like the type of fins, the thickness of an exposure suit, and the design of a BCD, etc. You can also keep a record of usage, including previous dive time and previous dive count. Brand info and purchase info are very useful when you want to repair or sell the gear. Finally, you can add some notes for the gear. After filling in all, select Save. Let's add your gear to the list, one by one. If you find gear having problems, you can mark it up. Select the gear. Select the 3 dots icon in the corner. Select Edit. Enable Having Problems. Save. An exclamation mark will appear on the marked gear. If there is gear that will no longer be used, you can set it to a retired status. Select the gear. Select the 3 dots icon in the corner. Select Retire. Retired gear can be viewed in Retired. If you want to sort or filter gear, select the filter icon in the corner. For example, filter the gear by Having Problems. Apply. If you want to cancel the filter, select the filter icon again. Reset. Apply. And that's it. Thanks for watching.